Now we are going to discuss about how we can refactor block. This is among those topics which no one has ever discussed. So both the blocks are handling an event which is known as the increment number by one. As you can see, I have increment number by one here and also here. And both the blocks are emitting similar state. Okay, incremented number here and incremented number here. But the type of both the states are different. And also the block 1 is also handling a one more event which is known as the calculate square of a number, and the block 2 is also handling a event which is known as the calculate square root of a number. So first of all we need to create a abstract block. Okay, and use that abstract block as a parent of both the blocks. Also move this event to the parent block. Done. And from here there's one more thing we need to do. We need to create a we need to take state from the children's. Okay, done. And import query. Hmm. And we need to also extend the events of both the blocks by the abstract event, and also move the increment number by one to the abstract block and remove it from here. And there's one more thing we need to do. We need to also extend our state with the abstract state. Okay, we were actually initially using the equitable, now we are using abstract. So to use the equitable we need to extend the abstract state with the. Okay, so one thing is done, and also we need to use abstract state here like we have used for the counter block 1. Now we are using abstract state to with the counter state block 2. Also one issue is resolved. It's saying calculates square root of a number is not a type. Let me check. Okay, I forgot to extend that event with that event. Okay, okay, now issues are resolved. I don't know why it's showing the error here. And also, okay, so this is fixed. And also actually we really doesn't need this. Move it. Okay, 1 second, we need to move it here. Now everything is set. We can remove it. There's no need to use this. Okay, so inside our screen 1, now we need to use abstract state here. Now everything is set. Let's run this. So now our blocks are refactored. To learn more tips and tricks like this one, do subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.